Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Android Gateway. In today's video, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline and you must apply all these guidelines into the audio test before submitting it. You also read clean war VTM and all the guidelines start to the end and must apply all these guidelines into the Go transcription audio test. If you need some help how to apply Go transcription guideline, you you watch their previous old test. In Go transcription guideline there are old tests given in this website. You check it and see how they apply code transcription guideline into the audio test. So let's start the audio test. I transcribe it, and before submitting it you must apply all these guidelines into this transcription. So let's start the video.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Sergeant Ryerson was also known as Captain Sheila. That was how the Iranians knew her. They seemed to respect officers more than enlisted, which is why she could use the name Captain Sheila and not Sergeant Ryerson. Anyway, she was very controlling to her intel group, her community. She wanted the infantry guys to kick in the doors. Well, what she didn't understand was both intel and kicking in doors played a part in our area of operations, or any area of operations, in the whole deployment, really. I mean, they go hand in hand, the two of them. Anyway, I showed up one day as we were about to go on a mission, and she's not there. I take one of her people on a mission with us, and she got upset. She can't get upset with me, really, because I outrank her, but she got upset with one of her soldiers because they didn't tell her where she was going. I mean, it was that kind of thing. This person went out on a mission with us. We ended up raiding a house, took all the pictures, questioned people, and they were all part of that.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Again, she didn't know the specifics on it when it was happening, even though I told her. Sometimes it's short notice, and we agreed that we'll at least come by and pick one of the guys up. That's exactly what I did, but she's a micromanager. Even though I did take somebody out, she wasn't notified of it, so it was that sort of thing with me and her. Then they packed up our whole chew while we were out on R&R. There was at least 3 different intel communities that I would report intel to. They would put it on their database, but in order to see that, you'd have to go to that specific intel community's database to see it. Most of the time, I'd say I went to that HUMIT team, which is what Ryerson was in charge of. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot to tell you what HUMIT means. It's short for human intelligence. It's intelligence gathered by means of interpersonal contact, as opposed to the more technical intelligence gathering disciplines such as signals intelligence. It's a bit of a catch-all phrase rather than a particular development.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Sorry. Anyway, I was saying groceries like bread, milk, and ice could be delivered to you at home. Most delivery men, and they were always men, used horses and wagons. Coal was delivered periodically and stored in a coal bin in the basement if you had one. There was no gas, oil, or electric furnaces, and there were no air conditioners. Everybody used electric fans if they had electricity. If they didn't, they had to make little cardboard handheld fans just to keep cool, and those didn't always work either. And nowadays you got those COVIDiots having the Rona and Miley Cyrus out there with Blur's Day, and everybody's just Zoom bombing on their quarantines. It's really getting frustrating.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friends, this is the audio test for today. There may be some mistake in this transcription. You must correct these mistakes, and also do not forget to apply GoTranscription guideline into it. You must apply these GoTranscription guidelines. You must read 1 to 2 times these transcription guidelines. This will help you a lot. So friends, this is the video for today. I hope this is video helpful for you, and also please like the video and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.